It's my Blue Bay Shepherd Kurgan, the black dog. The other dog's my German Shepherd Lobo. It is close to midnight, February 21st, going into February 22nd. I'm out in the Mississippi River Valley with my dogs. It's a beautiful night. We got a snowstorm going on, as you can probably see. Supposed to get 5 to 6 inches of snow. There's Kurgan, my Blue Bay Shepherd. He's currently blowing his coat right now, so you'll see tufts of fur coming off him here and there. That's Lobo, my German Shepherd. Beautiful night in the river valley. About 15 degrees right now. Wind chill probably puts it down about 5. All right, come on. Beautiful night in the river valley. I love being down here when it's snowing. I love the energy in the air. Good boy. A lot of paranormal activity in this river valley area. I've talked about it before. A lot of stuff went on with the Native Americans and the settlers. The Dakota Indian Wars, and then in the river valley here, down the river valley a little bit on the Mississippi River, you have Pike Island, which was used as a prison island. They kept about, I might have my numbers off, but around 1,200 Native Americans on there as prisoners. And during a particularly harsh winter, you had about 800 of them or so die of cholera exposure and starvation, which is pretty horrible. You know, this is Minnesota, so we have really cold winters. So because of that, there's a lot of paranormal activity down here. Some people call it the Valley of the Wendigo. Boy, coming up on the mighty Mississippi. Just a beautiful night. Doesn't get much prettier in this. Good boy. Good boy. Boy. Thank you. Kisses. Ugh. I got spit all over my face now. This is kind of a cool spot. This big tree I filmed a few times. It's a massive oak that's hollowed out. Come here, Kurgan. Boy, here. Isn't this cool? Up in this tree. For those who don't know what that was Kurgan kissing my phone. The snow is kind of interfering with my flash's ability to illuminate things. I think on clip 2 I'll try it sans flash. With all the snow cover, I probably don't need it. We'll see which works better. Well, you know, I think I'm going to end clip 1 here and start clip 2 without the flash and see how it goes. I hope you enjoyed it. Right here we got the mighty Mississippi. On the far side over there where you see the lights is the boat launch at Hidden Falls. Yeah, absolutely beautiful night, about midnight or so. That's all, folks. Like, subscribe, and share. Bye. Bye from Mr. Kurgan and Mr. Lobo.